Hello everyone, today's sharing covers how to handle power and ground networks. When drawing schematics in OrCAD, first, go to the top menu bar, select Place Power or Ground to place power and ground symbols. You can also use shortcut keys F or N. In the pop-up window, power and ground symbols are stored in the same system library. We select VC for power supply. The default network name for power is VC, but we can rename it according to requirements. For example, if we need a 3.3 volts power rail, we can double-click to modify its network name. This is how we renamed power nets on the schematic. The operation for GND works the same way. When placing the GND symbol, its default network name is GND. Double-click the ground symbol. You will see the network name is set to GND by default, and the name won't be displayed on the symbol automatically. One critical note. Both VC and GND have global connectivity. This means the GND placed on the first schematic page will automatically connect electrically to all identical named GND nets on other pages. If I place a GND symbol on this page, any GND placed on the second page within the same project will belong to the same connected GND network. Besides using dedicated power and ground symbols, power and ground nets can also be handled like ordinary signals. Here is the method. Draw a wire for electrical connection. Then place a net alias to represent GND. Similarly, we can use a net alias to represent 3.3 volts power. Both methods achieve the same electrical effect. If you need to make connections across different schematic pages, use off-page connector under the Place menu to realize cross-page signaling links. Double-click the connector and rename it to GND or VC as needed. Cross-page connections must use off-page connectors, while net aliases are generally only used for connections within a single schematic page. That covers all methods to manage power and grounding networks during schematic design. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you everyone.